Welcome to General Health Tips for Everyone. Today we uncover the hidden power of Moringa, one of nature's greatest miracles. Also known as the Tree of Life, Moringa has been used for centuries to heal, nourish, and strengthen the human body. But what makes this simple green leaf so powerful? Stay tuned as we reveal why Moringa is called nature's mighty miracle. Moringa, scientifically known as Moringa oleifera, is a tree native to Africa and Asia. Every part of this tree, the leaves, seeds, pods, and roots, is packed with nutrients. The leaves alone contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk. They also boast 3 times more potassium than bananas and 2 times more protein than yogurt. No wonder it's called a superfood. In many cultures, Moringa is used to fight malnutrition, boost immunity, and slow down aging naturally. One of Moringa's greatest powers is its ability to strengthen the immune system. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, and zinc, which help the body fight off infections, bacteria, and viruses. Moringa also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective against coughs, colds, and even chronic illnesses like diabetes and arthritis. A daily dose of Moringa tea or powder helps your body build resistance naturally, without any chemicals or side effects. Moringa helps maintain a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. It also contains compounds that help control blood pressure and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. If you're struggling with high blood pressure or poor circulation, adding Moringa to your daily diet can make a major difference. Moringa has been proven to help stabilize blood sugar, making it highly beneficial for people with diabetes. Its compounds improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. A glass of Moringa leaf tea or a teaspoon of Moringa powder in warm water each morning can naturally balance your sugar levels. Moringa isn't just good for your inside, it's amazing for your skin and hair too. Its high content of vitamins A and E promotes youthful, glowing skin by reducing wrinkles and dryness. The antioxidants help repair damaged skin cells and protect against pollution and sunlight. Moringa oil, when applied to the scalp, can also strengthen hair roots, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. Feeling tired or sluggish? Moringa acts as a natural detoxifier. It cleanses the liver, flushes out toxins, and restores your energy levels. Unlike caffeine, Moringa gives you a clean, lasting energy boost without any crash. It keeps your mind sharp and your body active all day long, naturally and safely. Here are simple ways to add Moringa to your diet. Drink Moringa tea in the morning. Add Moringa powder to smoothies or soups. Mix fresh leaves in salads or boil them for a healthy meal. Use Moringa oil for glowing skin and strong hair. Start small, 1 teaspoon a day, and gradually increase. Consistency is the key. Moringa truly lives up to its name, nature's mighty miracle. It heals, protects, and nourishes your body in ways few plants can. So, start adding Moringa to your daily routine and watch your health transform naturally. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like this video, subscribe to General Health Tips for Everyone, and comment below if you've tried Moringa. Your health is your wealth. Take care of it every day.